Welcome to polleverywhere.com. So what is polleverywhere.com? This is an interactive application where you can ask pre-programmed questions to a live audience and see instant responses. This would be an excellent technology piece for peer-led team learning workshops. To get started, we are going to sign up, and our primary use is going to be presenting. We will register with our personal information, entering in a password with a phone number, and checking the appropriate boxes here. Now that we've created our account, Poll Everywhere would like to know how we plan to use the account. Our primary use is going to be teaching college and graduate classes. We'll complete the account setup, and this is what polleverywhere.com looks like.